This is TWiT.
All right, I want to say, Stacey, this is actually pretty. I was a little skeptical about the new Nanoleaf element that you showed us a couple of weeks ago. Here's your setup. It looks pretty nice.
And I have since established a cord organizer.
Yeah, because that's Lisa would make me drill a hole in the wall, drop it down through the gap, and yeah, that's a pain. But
I got plenty of people recommended that to me, and I'm like, I know. Right now, I just organized it. I think that's pretty.
So does the texture change, or what changes? The color, the light. You don't have a video of this?
No, I can take you out and show it to you.
Come on,
you're gonna
trip.
Travel with me.
Road trip on This Week in Google. Let's go somewhere with Stacey.
Audio's gonna change.
That's okay. We don't just shout.
This is a visual clue, as they say.
Oh yeah, no one else will get to see that.
Yes. There we go. Perfect.
There we
go.
Look at
that. I got to get to a good angle. Come on.
You don't have to be in the shot. How about that?
No, it's good.
Well, I mean, it's my computer.
It's right.
It's a
laptop. I see. That is really pretty.
And it's a hallway, so I can't.
And it's cycling through. It looks like it's a molecule or something. The nanoleafs are independent sexagons, right?
There we go.
Six-sided
hexagons.
Hexagons. Oh no, it's 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6.
No, there's 6 sides.
Sexagons. And they light up independently. They're attached to one another.
Is there a pattern you set, or?
This is one of their preset patterns. I didn't bring my phone. Hold on.
Hexagon. That's the word I was trying to remember. Thank you. Not sexagons, dummy. So.
Oh, I thought you said hexagon. Yeah, I would have told you.
I have said it now. Thank you to the chat room. Who are clearly better in their Latin than I am. Hexagons. And you could have it. Is there an audio sensor? Could you have it bounce to the music?
Yes, I'm about to do it here. We're going to do something to...
Okay.
Phone. Sorry.
Is it a hexagram or a hexagon? What's the difference between a hexagram and a hexagon, or a pentagram and a pentagon? That's the question.
A pentagram has 5. A hexagon has 6.
Yeah, but what's the difference between a pentagram and a hexagram and a gon? The pentagram is a symbol.
Oh, yeah, here it is. So now it's reacting to my voice.
Oh, that's neat. Will you look at those hexagons? Go. That's
by
great.
volume or timbre or what?
It's here. Well, I'm about to set everything off. Sorry, there's so much light.
Oh, they're so bright. They're great.
Oh,
nice.
That didn't work.
Look at that.
I'll go here.
Hey, Biscuit. That's cool. You know, I like because they look like natural materials. There's a little stony and slatey.
Yeah, it can match my floor.
Yeah, that's really nice. That's really nice. All right, I like it. 2 thumbs up. That is Stacey's Sexagons.
Stacey's Sexagons, and
very nice. And it's the Nanoleaf element. If you want to know more, very nice. That's right outside your office?
So that whole setup, was $800 though. So know that.
Yeah, but how much for peace of mind?
Well, and it covered a huge space. It covers 7 feet by almost 4 feet.
Yeah. So you have, as they say, designed your personal oasis. It was very nice. Nanoleaf.me if you want to know more.